तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता.
How to overcome anxiety before exams and interviews?
This is a very straightforward question. It's a very, very common thing which is happening with most of us, and it keeps happening and it will keep happening. But it's not that I will say that it will never happen with me. It will happen. I know it. So I would suggest please read a blog on presentation nerves. I have written about stage fright and presentation nerves. Read and understand it. See how it applies to you. If you are still facing problems, discuss with me individually, because it will need individual resolution, not a group therapy will not work out here.
How to get rid of self-doubt and negative self-talk?
Okay, once again I'm telling you to read this book, which is important, which people have read, they have realized. People like Naman, Upasak, they say कि सारा जवाब मिल जाते हैं सर, पूछने को रहता ही नहीं कुछ. So please read our blogs on self-confidence. Once again, the same one, presentation notes. You'll get your answers and see how you can develop these things.
One is self-doubt, and another issue is when I speak to students, quite a few say that they are more concerned about others' opinion about them. So they kind of believe more in that than they believe in themselves. So what do you have to say about that?
हाँ, ये तो प्रॉब्लम अभी. I had one student, he told me that he had a friend who had cleared SSB in his 21st attempt. And he said कि भाई देखो, स्टोरी में तो अगर फार्मर दिखाया तो फार्मर से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, तुम जो हो उसे डालो अपनी पर्सनालिटी को उसके बीच में. तो उसने जाके जो था फार्मर दिखाया हुआ था पीपीडीटी में, तो उसने बताया कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर है और ये उसका बाप किसान था तो ये खेती करने गया. And then he brought about something about electronic engineering and all that, and he got screened out. So I said, "Very good thing happened to you, because you trusted this person who got recommended in his 21st attempt." मैं तो पहली बार में recommend हो गया था, मैं सिलेक्शन सिस्टम में रहा हुआ हूँ, मैंने तुमको ये शिक्षा नहीं दिया, तुम्हें उसकी सलाह क्यों लेने की जरूरत थी? बट उसने लिया और रिजल्ट भी मिल गया. फाइन. So this is what it is. So it is that it happens. I used to experience the same thing with so many of my boxers. They were listening to their peers more. मेरी बात नहीं सुनते थे. Till 3-4 years, when they started realizing कि यार ये ठीक बताता है बात, then they started, my credibility with them increased. So these issues are there. Once again, it's a reason of self-doubt. That's why you are looking for affirmation, you are looking for approval. ये नेता भी तो वेट तभी नहीं करते जब सिद्धू बोलता है ना, ठोको ताली. अगर कोई ताली नहीं ठोके तो his confidence dips. Are you getting the point? So don't allow that. The best thing to do is work on rationality and logic. Do things which are logically correct as per you, and then that's it. Stand your ground and maintain your self-belief. Let others think whatever. Don't be looking for regular approval. There may be situations where you may have to stand alone. And the real leaders in life often have to stand alone. Fine?
Sir, now if we talk about others' opinion, feedback is also part of that, right, sir?
Yes.
So if it's up to our rationale to whether take that feedback into account or not. Is that it, sir? Or like अगर आपको feedback अच्छा लग रहा है, okay, he is talking some sense, बात कर रहा है कि this is lacking in us, this is good enough, so we should take that into account and then proceed forward with whatever plan we have in mind.
Yes. It is developing an objective thinking. That you detach yourself, once again remove the emotional attachment to your decisions, to your actions. Assess them purely from the perspective of rationality, and see whether that person is making more sense or you are making more sense. If he is making more sense, then please take his advice.
तो हमेशा दिमाग लगाना अपना और कुछ नहीं।
नहीं, अपने दिमाग से सोचने के लिए तो दूसरे का दिमाग तो है ही नहीं ना। वो तो खाली जो पीके में आमिर खान आया था वो ले लेता था दूसरे का दिमाग ना। वी डोंट हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी। तो हमें अपने से ही सोचना है, बट रैशनैलिटी पे आओ ना। रैशनली बात ठीक लगेगी तो हम अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे उसको। फाइन,
ओके सर।
यस,
Sir, I have a question.
गो अहेड।
I was reading this. I was reading the book, The Practical Guide of Becoming an Officer. So there was one line, which said, "You are, मतलब don't opinions and thoughts. It's about what you did and what you are doing." So I have a doubt in this. कि हमने अभी तक जो डिसीजन ले लिए हैं, we have to assess ourselves on that basis that what we are और what we think कि उस टाइम मैंने ऐसा कर दिया तो मैं ऐसा हो गया।
Correct. This is, you are talking about creating your self concept ना accurately.
Yes sir, yes sir.
हाँ, तो क्या होता है ना, हम क्या करते हैं, like you were in a situation and you went with the crowd and the crowd was not doing the right thing. Now what will happen is you will think कि देखो मैं तो ठीक करने वाली थी, पर इनको क्राउड की सुन के मैंने ऐसा कर लिया। So the truth of your personality is that not what you are thinking, but what you actually did. You went with the crowd, so that is your truth.
Yes sir.
Getting the point?
That you get influenced, not that you were right and you got influenced. You are not influencing
Correct.
them.
We tend to give ourselves unnecessarily benefit of the doubt कि नहीं मैं तो ठीक ही करता, ये इसने करवा दी मेरी। No, you were as much party to that decision.
Yes sir. So the results matter, what you get in return after taking the action.
Correct.
So that is what you are actually.
Yes, that is what you actually are.
Okay sir. Got your point.